Hello everybody, my name is Muslika Fauzani and I will explain about citrus fruit and its benefits. Check it out. Orange is a fruit that has properties. Orange, which are citrus fruits, are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidant which boost the immune system and help fight infection and flu. The content of phytochemicals and prevent several cancers. Oranges are also good for people with diabetes because they are prone to the glycemic index can vary from 40 to 50. Well, the recommended amount of glycemic index for diabetics is 55. And that is suitable for diabetics. Oranges have a sweet taste. They are low in calories. Citrus fruit fiber. Orange contain high amounts of dietary fiber. This can control your appetite exaggerated. Oranges have many benefits, such as increased endurance, reducing the risk of anemia, supports digestive system health, prevent dehydration, and keep skin health. Maybe I stop it here, and thank you for attention. And the last, goodbye everybody.